there, Jimmy here from the Onside team, bringing you another help video. In this video, we're going to cover off reporting. So logging into your Onside web portal, on the left-hand side here, you'll see there is a reporting option. So jumping in here, we can have reports on check-ins, risks, incidents, and if you're opted into Onside Intelligence, also biosecurity movements. So I can go check-ins, choose my date range, choose my property. So I could go Jimmy Inc. or I could also choose multiple properties. And then I can also choose how I want that information. So if you choose PDF, it's a lot easier to read. There's not as much information as the spreadsheet version, but it also creates an individual PDF for each individual property. Whereas if you were to go to combined spreadsheet, that would show all of my check-ins for all of these properties combined into one document. So if you do have multiple properties, it's a lot easier to view things in this way. Jumping over to risks. So I can pull a risk report and choose what status of risks I want. So maybe I want every risk on the properties, reviewed only or unreviewed. So I know which ones I need to action. Again, date range, choose the property or properties, and then at the bottom, choosing again what format I'd need. The difference in the risk reports here is you also have the option of reporting on a team. So if you do have on-site teams, our lone worker side of things, you can report on the risks that they've been reporting out in the field on properties that you don't actually manage yourself. And then incidents, same again, choosing your kind of incident, your date range, the properties, or you can also choose any incident that's related to your company. And then choosing the format. So jumping over to some reports that I've done. So this is a PDF check-in report. So from here, being able to see everything about the check-in. So the person's name, the company they represent, contact information. Under the contractor tab in your web portal, you can also set the status of a contracting company. So in this case, I haven't set a status for these ones, but I could show approved or not approved here. The job and any comments when they're doing the check-in, if they use our auto arrival feature, what time they arrived, when they checked in, when they checked out, how long they were there for, and how far away from the property they were when they actually did the check-in. For as much as I want. Jumping over to the risk side of things, again, the PDF format. So having a brief description of what kind of risk it was, if it's been dealt with or what status it currently has, and then the rest of the information about it. So the information that you're showing to people that are checking into the property, as well as the information that you're keeping internally, so how you're managing that particular risk. And lastly, incident side of things. So being able to see which property it relates to, when it occurred, and then stepping through that information. So that is reporting in Onside. Thanks.